Hey guys, meet Alice, our little white rabbit, our home for tonight, along a beautiful creek. Wake up to that in the morning. That's awesome. I figured we'd do a quick tour. Can't really see much here. We hung some curtains. That's our little backrest because we had the bed the other way during our trip, so we have some storage down here. Little pockets. For those of you who don't know, we took a 6-month road trip. It's been kind of crazy, so we haven't gone camping, and bed got turned the other way so we can use the van for everyday use. A little cabinet, a flip-up table, door. And then there's a curtain in there. I've already blocked out the driver's side. No one's going to sneak in on that side. We have our bear spray ready in multiple directions. There's the cab up there. Oh, for those of you who haven't met Bob, meet Bob. Oh, I knocked his head off. We'll fix him. Brian's getting our little campfire ready. Take a quick walk to the creek. This is home tonight. We stopped at a few lakes on the way here for our Highway to Lake tour. We did not stop at all 20. We'll stop at more tomorrow. It was important to go ahead and get a site. It's approaching 3 o'clock. For those who followed our story and our trips, we like to be parked, find our spot by about 3. In case you have to look for another one. Don't want to be out in the forest looking for somewhere to sleep. It's bear season. I should have brought my bear spray down here so we won't stay long. Just a short walk. Just get out for one night, one day. Stop on scenic routes. This was a nice scenic road. We cannot thank Brian's boss enough for telling us about this spot. It's gonna get dark quick, and we have to be mindful of our surroundings, but it will be great. Sailor's fine at home. It's just for the night. Benefits of having a cat.